Model T is coming back, more fabrication, more tube work because this thing is completely tube. Obviously, do it. So the one thing that's always pushed me back is the rocker setup for the Model T. Pretty much got in touch with Bailey at SEMA 2023. He said, you know, let's make some stuff, let's CAD some things. Matt Sixberry also helped do that by designing a universal rocker that have an infinite array of adjustability. So the tabs can be interchangeable depending on your chassis, whatever, you know, shock length, push rod length, whatever it may be. So that's always held me back, was the rocker design. Finally got the rockers in. Also, Aldan American jumped on board, so Aldan American double adjustable coilovers. I've never had just double adjustable coilovers, but they're supposed to be pretty mint. I'll have the same coilover front and back on the Model T. Just got to finish designing tabs, get the proper hardware, proper mock-up, proper welding, pretty much put this thing back under its own weight. Granted, there will still be a little bit of tweaking with the coil springs. Custom air jack setup. Model T is going to be coming back along with, the Bel Air, kind of waiting on stuff because the last time I drove it, the wheel pretty much fell off, and that was, you know, pretty much my fault. But it is what it is, you know, we all kind of do stuff that isn't the best. Another thing I did in the meantime was I pretty much got the air jacks situated in the Model T chassis. So that's something I've been putting off for a while. Nuke Performance is obviously a sponsor of the build. Again, you'll see where it started, or, you know, where it was before, and then we'll go to, you know, future, what it is now. So, well, I guess present. I didn't film a lot of detail, but I did film, you know, a lot of B-roll, a lot of work. that the Model T is kind of back again. I'm going to be posting on that car, and then I'll be posting on the Bel Air. The Bel Air, I got an update coming soon. You'll kind of figure out why I haven't been posting, and I'll explain that in the Bel Air video. I didn't really want to say too much in this video. I just wanted to give you guys some shots and, you know, show you guys what I'm doing, what I'm up to, a little bit of an update, and then yeah, I'm gonna keep trying to post videos, but busy schedule, gotta make progress, gotta get money, always need money. Peace, love, and chicken grease, my dudes. Yeah.